Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, file system error number 214. So how we can fix it? So for fixing it you just need to, so it's full number of this error, here you can see it. So how we can fix it? First we need to go to search tab and just write in search tab services. So here you will see services, so just click on it. So here in services you need to find Windows License Manager, so just scroll down. Here you can see it, Windows License Manager. So just right click on it and choose properties, just click on properties, and here in status type, in tab of general, you need to choose not manual but automatic. So just click on automatic and just the service status must be start. If not, just click start and just click apply and OK. So it will automatically fix your problem. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.